Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll cover how to add custom dynamic content to a collapsible row in your Shopify store. This is a great way to keep your site organized and let customers expand content when they need it. So let's dive in. To start, head into your Shopify admin, then go to online store on the left and select themes. Right here, go to online store here and select themes. Now click on Customize to open the theme editor. Click on the Customize button here. Now in the theme editor, look at the left panel and scroll until you see the section where you want to add a collapsible row. This might be under sections like Products page or Faculty, FAQ, depending on your theme. You can add a section here. Add it in the template and select collapsible content here. Now let's add the content to this collapsible row. Click on Add Collapsible Row as we did now to open a new row area. Inside this row, you'll have fields to add a title and dynamic content. You can type in the title you want for the row here on the collapsible item. For the content area, you can add rich text, images, and even links or videos, depending on your needs. If you want to use dynamic content, check if your theme supports it. Some themes allow you to link data like product details or collection informations directly into the collapsible row. Once your content is added, you can customize the appearance of the row to match your branding. Check for options within the collapsible row settings like padding, background color, or style texts. Adjust these until the row looks consistent with the rest of your page. After that, click Save in the top right to make sure your changes are saved. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom collapsible row with dynamic content. It's a perfect way to keep your site clean while giving customers easy access to more information. Thanks for watching and check out more tutorials for customizing your Shopify store.